Welcome back, students of 5th class. I am Asif, your mathematics teacher. So, my dear students, now today's video lecture we will learn about the new chapter number 9, multiplication and division of decimals. In the previous video you had learned about the decimal fractions and there are some types. So here we will talk about the multiplication of decimal fractions by 10, 100, 1000, etc. And also we will talk about the division of decimal fractions by 10, 100, 1000 and multiplications of two decimal fractions as well division of one decimal fractions by other and so on. So students, let's take started. First, all this we will learn about all the subtopics that I talked through the questions from exercise 28. So have a look, friends. The first question says, now get ready to learn, friends. See question number 1 of exercise 28 says multiply. So here have a look, friends. Here 0.2, this is the division, this is the decimal fraction. Now we are going to multiply this decimal fractions with this whole number. So have a look, friends. Without carrying the decimal, first we have to multiply their numerical value. Here is the numerical value only is 2 and this is 4. Now multiply 4 by 2. 4 2 ja 8. Write down 8. Now see, friends, look at how many digits after decimal. So there are one digit because this is the decimal places with, this is the decimal fractions with one decimal places. Why? Because after this decimal point there is one digit, so this is called, this is decimals will with one decimal places. Now first multiply their numerical values. 4 2 ja 8, right? Then see the number of digits after decimal. So here I got the number of digits after decimal is 1. Okay, now we have to place this decimal after counting right hand side as one number. Here is the 1 from right hand side, here is the 1, and place the here decimal and write down this is the 0 for the standard form. So 0.8 is the answer this question. Okay, now have a look, friends. Question number H. This is the sub question of question number first. Now here this is the decimal fractions with two decimals places, because after decimal there are two digits, so this is why it is called the decimal fractions with two decimal places. Now first, without carrying this decimal, first we have to multiply the whole. Eliminating the decimal, we have to multiply the 432 with 51. Okay, first multiply. Okay, now have a look, friends. Now multiply 51, 2 1 ja 2, 3 1 ja 3, 4 1 ja 4. Now 5 2 ja 10. Here is the 0, 1 is balance, 5 3 ja 15, 15 plus 1 16, 6 is here, 1 is balance, 5 4 ja 20, 20 plus 1 21. Now add 2 3, this is 10, 0 1 is balance, this is 2 and 2. Now first write down the multiplication 2 2 0 3 2. Now see, count how many digits after decimal. Here the two digits, so we have to place these decimals after counting two digits from right hand side. This is 1, this is 2. Place the decimal. So this is answer this question. I hope you will be clear. Now next, now see, students, we have already talked about the how to multiply the decimal fractions with the 10 and 100. So have a look, friends. Question number second says fill in the blanks. Means here is the dash, here is the dash. Now what number should be filled here? So in order to fill in here, first we have to multiply these two numbers, then write down answer here. Okay, now see the solution. And I have already told just a couple of seconds ago what. First we have to multiply their values, numerical values. Then afterwards we have to place the decimal. Okay, counting the how many digits from right hand side. Okay, this is the same question. Now first we have to multiply 2, 3, 4 with 10. That means 234 1 ja as it is. Okay, here is the as it and this 1 times 0. You can write the decimal, it doesn't matter. Have a look. Now count how many digits after decimal. So there are 2 digits, 1 and 2, and we have to place the decimal here after counting 2 digits from right hand side, 1 and 2. So here this is answer. Okay, or either, friends, and this could be written as 23.4 because there is no value of this 0 that is placed after this 0. Okay, after this 4. Or either this could be written as there is 1 times 0 is here. That means this decimal is shifted, will shift here. Means 23.4 because there is 1 time is 0 is here. After multiplying, this decimal will shift here. Okay, now either this is very simple way. First multiply, then place the decimal after counting the number of digits from the decimal in the questions right hand side. Okay, now see the next one. First multiply 1 3 without carrying this decimal. 1325 1325 1 ja 1325. Okay, how many zeros? 2 times zeros. Place the 2 times 0. Okay, now see how many digits after decimal. So here 1 2 and 3, there are 3 digits after decimal. So we have to count here 3 digits from right hand side, 1 2 and 3, and place the decimal. Okay, now this could be written 132 decimal 5 because there is no effect of if we write the 0 or no. Okay, this is your answer. We can remove this 2 times 0 or 1 times 0, it doesn't matter because value cannot be changed. Okay, now see, students, question number 3 says write the products, and this question number 3 carries A, B, C, D, E and F, and 6 questions, and we have taken only 2 questions, sub questions. So have a look, friend. This is the same. Now we have to find the product. First multiply this 167,895 1 times is as it is 167,895. Now how many zeros? 3 times 0. Here is the place 3 times 0. This is multiply. Now and count how many digits after decimal. So after decimal there are 1 2 3 4 5 digits. Now we have to count here from right hand side as 5 digits, 1 2 3 4 5, and place the decimal where the counting is 5 is end. Then place the decimal, then write 1678 decimal 95, and we can remove this trash 0. Okay, this is answer. Now next same question. First we have to multiply this the whole with 1 as it is 3 times 0 4 5 1 as it is 1 2 3 4. This is how many zeros? Sorry, this is 1 2 3 4 5 times 0 is over here. Okay, this is 2 3 4 and 5. Now count, students, count number of digits after decimal. Here the 1 2 3 4 5, there are 5 digits after decimal point. So we have to count here from right hand side 5 digits, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and place the decimal. Okay, now friends, remember, think, suppose 0 and 2, this could be, yes, only 2. That means if 0 is placed before any whole number, 0 is placed before the number, so 0 is immaterial. There is no value of 0, means as it is the number same. So here the 3 times 0 is placed before 45, so this could be written as only 45. And after decimal there are 5 times 0, so there is no value of this 0 after decimals. It could be written as 45. This is your final answer. I hope you will be understand. Now friends, your homework is question number 1, including all sub questions, question number 2 including all sub questions, question number 3 including all sub questions. So please, you make the fair copy, you make notes and solve all the questions with their sub questions. If you have any doubt, queries, confusion regarding any one of the questions, so please ask me. Please comment in the comment box below, and keep watching the video till the end. Okay, have a nice day.